Hello dear students and welcome back again in your channel. Now today we are starting exercise 3.7, seventh question, third and fourth part we will do in this video. Because the questions are little lengthy, so we will do only two parts and other parts we will do in next video. And before doing that, please don't forget to just press like button. And now we are starting question number 7, third part. What is the question? You have to find two equations are given to you, linear equation. You have to find the value of x and y. So now you know that this is in the form of two variable, equation in two variable, ax plus by equals to c. But see upside, this is 1 upon 8 is in fraction. So let us first make this in proper form, equation number 1. So let me say this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So we will from equation number 1. So we will just make this in proper form. So take the LCM. First I am writing this equation, minus y upon b is equals to 0. Take the LCM. What the LCM will come? AB. So a into b is equals to ab. So we will multiply it by b. B into x minus b into a. So we will multiply it by a. Ay equals to 0. So cross multiply ab into 0 is equals to 0. So therefore bx minus ay is equals to 0. Now this is equation number 1. So let us say this becomes 1 dash. Now this equation I am writing down of it. Ax plus by is equals to a square plus b square, and what is this? This is equation number 2 as it is. So now see, we have to solve these two equations. Something is cancelling out. Let us see. Plus minus minus. This is ay but this is by. So both of them, how we can make them equal? If we make that here ab and here also ab, so aby and aby will be cancelled out. So what we'll do? Multiply it by b and you will multiply it by a. So this equation what will become? B into b, b square x minus aby is equals to b into 0, 0. And this equation a square, we will say x plus ab, this is y, is equals to, this is a into a square plus b square. We will write in bracket. Now solve these two, plus minus minus, aby, cancel out. Now these two are plus plus plus. So take x common, what is left inside? A square plus b square. Okay. So now is equals to, this will remain as it is because 0 if you add to something, it will remain the same. So a square plus b square. Now this you send this side, therefore x is equals to a into a square plus b square whole divided by, send it down, so it will become a square plus b square, cancel out. So therefore x is equals to a. Okay, so the value of x is a. Now substituting the value in any one of the equation. So there are two equations, 1 dash and 2 dash. So what we'll do? Let us substitute this equation in 1 dash. Okay, so substituting the equation in 1 dash. Okay, so what we'll do? We will substitute in 1 dash. Okay, so write substituting value of x in 1 dash. So what is 1 dash? Write the equation 1 dash first. Bx minus ay is equals to 0. What is x? A. In the place of x put a, so a into b. Minus ay is equals to 0. This ay you send this side, so ab is equals to plus ay. From here what is the value of y? ab upon a. So cancel out, the which shows y is equals to b. So we got x is equals to a and y is equals to b for this pair of linear equation. So let us do now the next part. Next part is your fourth part. Let us see how the fourth part we can do. Okay, so seventh question, this is fourth part. Fourth part, what is the question? Equations are given to us. Seventh question, fourth part. A minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equals to a square minus 2ab minus b square. And same way down we can write a plus b into x plus y is equals to a square plus b square. So these are our two equations. So now we can see the first equation. It is in the form ax plus constant term by is equals to this fullest constant c. And c down one, ax plus by, no, because this is a plus b, x plus y. So second equation, let us just bring it in proper form. Let me say this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So we will write from equation 2. So multiply it inside. A into x, ax, plus a into y, ay, plus b into x, bx, plus b into y, by is equals to a square plus b square. So now there are two x terms. Let us take x common in this. So if we take x common, what is left inside? A plus b. Okay, plus. There are two items. Take y common. I am taking at the last common. So what is left? A plus b is equals to a square plus b square. So let me say it as equation number 2. H2 becomes 2 dash. So now this is in proper form. Ax plus by is equals to c. Okay. So what let me do now? Let me write this equation here. So equation number 1. A minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equals to this one, a square minus 2ab minus b square. This was equation number 1. So let me see what is cancelling out. This full you assume at 1 and this full you assume at 1. Okay. Both are plus plus but both are same. So this will become minus, so it will be cancelled out. Subtracting the equation. Change the sign. Minus, minus, minus. This is cancelled out. Plus, minus, minus. So this x is common. Okay. X let me take common. First this one which is at the top. Minus. Minus, open the bracket. Minus a minus minus plus b is equals to, first let me write this one, a square plus b square minus this one, open the bracket, minus a square minus minus plus 2ab minus minus plus b square. See, a square is cancelling out here and a is cancelling out here. So b plus b, 2bx is equals to 2b square plus 2ab. This let me solve more. 2b let me take common. So b plus 2b common, so a is left. So a plus b. So therefore x is equals to 2b. This let me write a plus b. And divided by 2b will come in denominator because it is in multiplication, cancel out. So therefore x is equals to a plus b. We got the value of x. Okay. Substituting the value of x in any one of the equation. So where we should substitute? Let us substitute in equation number 1 only. Okay. So we are substituting the value of x in equation number 1. Let us see what will come. Okay. So this is a value of x. Substituting, here I am writing substituting value of x in equation 1. Then you write equation number 1. So what is the value of x? So first let me write this, a minus b. What is x? A plus b. Plus a plus b into y as it is equals to this as it is, 2ab minus b square. Multiply it, a into a square, a into b, or this you can write, see, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square formula, a square minus b square. If you multiply it, then also this will come. Okay, plus it shows a plus b into y is equals to a minus 2ab minus b square. So this term let me send this side. Okay. So this I am writing here, a plus b into y. Very first, whatever is here, we have to write this one only. So a minus 2ab minus b square. Then this one term I am sending this side. Minus a square minus b square. Because this is plus here, it will go that side minus. So now a plus b into y is equals to, open that bracket, minus b square minus a square minus minus plus b square. Anything is cancelling out? Yes, b square. Okay, so now this is a square here. Okay, so here it is a square, so a square is also cancelled out. So therefore y is equals to, this is minus 2ab left, a plus b will go in denominator, a plus b. So we get two values, value of x and value of y. The value of x will come a plus b and the value of y will come minus 2ab upon a plus b. So these are the value of x and y for these pair of linear equation. Okay, next part in question number 8 we will do in next video. Till then, keep watching the video and do practice, and don't forget to like the video. Thank you very much.